All right, everyone, it's day one of our big adventure, and we still don't know where we're going, but we have a general direction. So we have loaded up our car to the brim. Every little nook and cranny has been packed full, and oh my gosh, it feels good to be on the road. We're actually at a rest stop right now in Casa Grande, and I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but for us desert folk, it's really green right now. Spring is definitely arriving, and there's flowers everywhere. There are some little lupin here, and I don't know what the yellow or that other purple flower is, but this is a globe mallow. And then all along the highway were brittle bush, which is a yellow flower and super beautiful. You can see all the grasses coming in. And all these beautiful mountains all around us. Oh, even the creosote have little yellow flowers right now. Yeah, he is.
Maybe.
All right, we are filling up at a gas station just outside of Flagstaff, Arizona, and we've made a plan. a little baby plan for tonight. We're going to stay in a hotel in Whitefish? Oh my gosh. I keep forgetting the name of this town. It's in Utah. and it's not that far from where we're at now. We've got like 2 more hours. So just kind of taking it easy today. We've gotten to pull over and walk the dogs a couple of times, which has been great. And where was I going with that? Oh yeah, and then tomorrow we'll be very near the grand staircase where we are wanting to camp. And so we can spend the day exploring and looking around for an ideal place to set up home for a week. So I'm excited. The weather's beautiful here. Oh my gosh. Not as much snow as I anticipated, but at the very tops of the San Francisco peaks, there was some snow, which is beautiful to see. Hello, it is day 2 of our big adventure. We have made it to, I forgot the name again, somewhere in Utah. About, I don't know, that's east of Kanab. Anyways, we spent the night at a hotel, and I'm just out taking the dogs on a little walkabout. There's a lot of bird sage out here. They keep getting things stuck in their paws. Anyways, it was a really fun trip yesterday. It was uneventful, which is always good, and beautiful scenery all around. So we're like just into Utah. We crossed Lake Powell last night, and basically here we are. And my hand is starting to get cold, so I'll check in with you in just a bit. There's all these lizards tucked behind this plywood. I've already scared a couple, so I'm keeping my distance this time, but they've come out to sunbathe. So sad. This is the road that we were super excited and inspired to explore for camping. But the good news is, just a little bit down the road, we found a forest road that was not closed. So we're back in business. Alright, so Brian and I just had a very big adventure. I don't know how long we've been out here, but we actually got stuck in the snow. We got high centered. So our first thought was, oh great, we're gonna have to like dig all the snow out from underneath the car. We actually forgot to bring a shovel. We had planned on it. And we also had planned on bringing Max Tracks. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see Brian. We have a little dustpan. He's like, we have this though. It actually helped a lot. So then we're like, maybe we could just build up the road behind the tires, like put, rocks. And so we did that, but it wasn't enough because we were still high centered and the tires couldn't get up on the rocks. So we ended up putting a jack under the two front tires so that we could lift them up off the ground, and then we shoved rocks underneath the tires. So I just want to show you what we just got out of. So here we are. You can see our little rock tracks. You can see where the car was stuck in the snow, and we just built a little rock path all the way until we were able to get up and out of the snow. That was really fun. Brian and I have had to build roads before on our adventures. It's a learning experience, and yeah, we feel really good now. Oh yeah, we had to unpack the whole back so that we could access the jack, but oh well, it is what it is. All right, I'm gonna help. We're pretty proud of ourselves. We also enjoy that kind of thing. So it's like a puzzle you have to solve, and it always feels good when you are able to actually get out. It would feel a little concerning if we didn't, but the highway's not that far. We could have walked and flagged a person down or something, I'm sure. It wasn't the end of the world. And I'm so glad I brought my muck boots.
Yeah, except now we don't want to pack them back.
I know, I'm just going to wear them for the rest of the day.
You could clean them off in the snow.
true. Marvelous. Are you filming? All right, we're gonna make our mini point turn to get out of here and hope for the best. All right, here we go. Thank you. I don't know if you can see, but to the left there's the spires with snow. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
All right, we're just a little bit lower down. There's no snow. The road is really dry, and we're thinking maybe we'll be able to find a campground yet. All right, folks, we finally settled on a camp, and this is it. It looks a little barren, a little bleak, but we're still really happy, and we think it'll be really fun. And this spot does have really nice views.
It'll slide in all the way down till it locks in. And it wants to pull out again right away.
That's it, you'll screw that in?
And then screw that. If we find that it's not tight enough, just screw it back out so that it's tighter that way. But I say let's just start with it as it is.
Okay.
Not how tight it should be.
Yeah.
So that's that.
Okay.
All right,
let's see.
Although we have, I'll make sure this. Yep. Okay. Great. So now we can do these uprights.
Okay. Which are these two?
I don't know.
Here, I'll look.
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Sure.
Woo! Woohoo! Come on, pig! Come on, piggy! Come on! Yeah, good boy!
At their house.
All right, folks, we have the tent. It's up. We're gonna move in, and I'm gonna give you a tour in the next video. I'm sorry to leave you on another cliffhanger, but we're tired. It's been a long day. We have a lot to do. I'll see you all later.